Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and today I am going to tell you about my upcoming art videos. So for the month of August I am planning to do some Warli paintings. It's a traditional art form that belongs to Maharashtra and it belongs to the Warli community, Warli village. So the art form is very simple. The basic patterns are triangles, circles, curvy lines, straight lines, dots and zigzag lines. These are the simple patterns used to create Warli painting, and originally Warli painting was used to decorate the mud houses. So the themes were also equally simple, like everyday work of the village people, like farming, dancing, playing musical instrument, cooking, feeding the cattle, many celebrations, festivities of the village people. So both the theme and the style of Warli painting is very simple and very attractive and very enjoying. The art process is also equally enjoying, and till now I have done only 4 or 5 Warli paintings in my channel, so I want to do some more, and I'm going to make it very simple so that it will be quick and easy for me and easy for you, and together we can enjoy the art process. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, watch my videos and share my art videos with your friends. Because today's video is the first video, I want you to learn something about the basic shapes, and I'm not going to use any color for today. I'm using some very simple, some sketch pen or marker or anything like this, through which we can do sketch of the basic characters like men, women, the animals, birds and trees, houses, and how they are created. And in my next videos I will certainly use acrylic colors. It's going to be very relaxing, fun, enjoying. So let's start the Warli painting.